Hello, my name is Victor Fajardo, and in this presentation I will talk about soil quality modeling using tools such as GIS and remote sensing. This topic is very important because soil is the foundation of agricultural production and environmental sustainability. We will also analyze real case studies from Egypt and Mexico, focusing on soil degradation and erosion. Soil quality refers to the ability of soil to support productivity, maintain water and air quality, also sustain human life. However, soil degradation is currently a global issue that currently affects negatively ecosystems and food production. That is why tools like geographic information systems helps us analyze and monitor these changes more accurately. The main objective of these studies was to develop models to evaluate soil quality using GIS. Additionally, they aim to analyze the spatial patterns of degradation and assess soil erosion risk in order to support sustainable land management. Talking about methods. In terms of methodology, soil samples were collected in the field and analyzed in the laboratory to determine physical and chemical properties. Satellite images such as Landsat and Sentinel were also used along with digital elevation models. All this data was integrated into GIS to generate the spatial maps and layers. Different models were applied. For example, the soil quality index was calculated using a geometric mean of several indicators. The Morrell index was used to analyze the spatial patterns, and the Russell model was applied to estimate soil erosion based on factors like slope, rainfall, and vegetation cover. Talking about results on soil quality, they showed us that about 29% of the land had very high soil quality, while the rest ranged from high to moderate and low quality. The proposed model demonstrated high accuracy and strong agreement with traditional methods. About degradation, in the case of Mexico, around 64% of soils are affected by some level of degradation. The spatial analysis revealed that degradation is not random, but rather forms clusters, especially in arid regions. And about erosion, regarding soil erosion, the highest values were found in areas with steep slopes. In some cases, soil loss reached up to 55 tons per hectare per year. This highlights the importance of factors such as topography, of climate, and soil characteristics. What can we conclude? GIS and modeling techniques are effective tools for evaluating soil quality, and they also help us identify spatial patterns of degradation and areas vulnerable to erosion, which is essential for environmental planning. Talking about implications, these studies support the development of better soil management strategies, targeted conservation practices, and improved food security. They are also valuable tools for decision making in environmental policies. These are some references I consulted to elaborate this presentation, and thanks for your time.